Hi, boys and girls. This is Mr. Wassman, and we are now at the end of our Everyday Math end of the year assessment study guide. We are looking at a couple of story problems that are under problem number 19. It says solve the number stories. Joey wants to make fruit punch for 6 of his friends. He wants each friend to get 1/3 of a gallon of fruit punch. How many gallons of fruit punch should he make? Show the number model with the unknown. So again, this is a story problem or number story, word problem, however you want to call it. And the way we solve those is we use the ruckus strategy, which is reread the problem, underline the question, circle important information, come up with an action plan, and then solve. So let's reread. Joey wants to make fruit punch for 6 of his friends. That sounds important. He wants each friend to get 1/3 of a gallon of fruit punch. I'm guessing they're teenagers. How many gallons of fruit punch should he make? There's my question. How many gallons? So I need an action plan. I need a strategy. What am I being asked to do here? Well, 6 friends, and they each get 1/3 of a gallon. That sounds a lot like a multiplication problem. So what am I multiplying? Well, 6 friends times 1/3 of a gallon. Okay, so 6 times 1/3. So just as a reminder, when I multiply a fraction by a whole number, I'm only going to be multiplying the whole number and the numerator. I do not multiply the whole number by the denominator. So basically I'm being asked to multiply 6 times 1, and that's going to give me an answer that is fractional. That answer will be an improper fraction that you will have to convert into a mixed number or a whole number. So how many gallons of fruit punch is Joey going to need? Problem 19b says Mrs. Ryan and Ms. O'Callahan just moved into a new classroom. They are painting the walls new colors. If they paint 3/4 of a wall each day, how many walls will they have painted in 5 days? I'm wondering two things. Number one, how big is this classroom where they can only get 3/4 of a wall painted in a day? And what is their painting technique? Maybe they need some bigger rollers. But anyway, this is the problem that we have. So 3/4 of a wall in 5 days. So again, this is a multiplication problem that involves some fractions. So 3/4 of a wall, 5 days. My number model with the unknown. Okay. How many walls will they have painted in 5 days? Okay. So my number model is going to look like this. 5 days times 3/4 of a wall equals something. We'll say P for paint. There's my unknown. So if we look at this problem a little further, we have to, again, as you recall, just multiply the numerator by the whole number. So what is 5 times 3? Well, that's right, it is 15. 15/4. So to figure out how many walls 15/4 of a wall equals out to, I would have to take my numerator, 15, and then divide it by my denominator, 4. So how many groups of 4 can I get out of 15? Something tells me that this problem is going to result in a remainder. And that's it, friends. That's how you would solve these number story problems. I hope that this video tutorial and all the video tutorials that are associated with this study guide have been helpful. I know you can do it. We've been working on these types of problems all year long. This is all review. I know some of this might be a little rusty for you because it's been a while since we've thought about or tried problems like this, but I bet with a little practice you'll jump right back into it, like riding a bicycle. If you have any questions, reach out to your math teachers. Otherwise, we will talk again soon. Thanks.